The first thing you might notice in Mastercam 2026 is the way the planes are laid out. These folders you see are called groups. You can group planes together to better organize your programming design. We're going to go down to rib 1 and we'll select all the way to rib bottom. By right-clicking, we can create a group of the ribs, and we'll go ahead and change the name here. We can call this rib features. Now the group is renamed. Let's do the same thing for the planes associated with the cooling fins. This time, we'll use the keyword search feature. As you can see, there's multiple planes on here, but we can go back to our planes manager and select our fins, and we'll group these together as well. Let's give it a name, and we'll rename this one to fin. The plane's property panel is available at the bottom and can be expanded and minimized as needed. You can also customize this in your properties that are displayed. Let's take a look at some of the settings here. We can filter or organize here by multiple options. In this case, we'll select name. What we can also do is use the corner filter function, and we can select groups by names. In this case, we'll select fin. Let's say OK. Within the selection, we also see our G view. Let's go ahead and unselect everything here. And we can set our WCS, C, and T here as well. I'll put it in the isometric view. We can display our planes. Another cool function is that we can actually split with our section views here inside of the planes manager. We also have more options that you would typically see under your right-click menu. With these enhancements, organizing and managing planes in Mastercam 2026 is just faster, cleaner, and much more intuitive.